All right, question 10. We're doing BC. Okay, so for the first one, for B, we've got, see how they've given it to us as sine squared t, cos squared t. This is x and this is y. And if we want to sketch this, well, we want to start off by explaining why they're both between 0 and 1. Well, I know sine theta or sine t, like it's between -1 and +1, isn't it? Same with cos. Because if we're on the unit circle, it tops out at 1, -1, 1, -1. Which means if we square them, we're now always going to have positive. Like it's never going to come out negative. So it's now between 0 and 1. And sketch a graph of the curve. So literally this curve, we've got sine squared t, cos squared t. I think I'm just confusing myself. Hang on. If I do x plus y, then that's sine squared t plus cos squared t. The reason I did that was because with sine and cos, you're usually aiming for sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals 1. Doesn't matter that it's t's, not thetas. So this will equal 1. X plus y equals 1, which means y equals 1 minus x. So if I want to then sketch that, that's the line y equals 1 minus x. So we start off at 1 and we just go down. But they've told us it's between 0 and 1 for both of them. So we don't do this bit and we don't do this bit. It's literally just this bit. For C, we're going to have something fairly similar happening. This time we've got the curve x equals 4 minus t squared, y equals t squared minus 3. I'm going to rearrange x. I'm going to get t squared equals 4 minus x. And then I'm going to sub this straight in for t squared here. I was lucky that it was t squared for both. I don't have to square root or anything. So y equals t squared, which is 4 minus x. And then we've got minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1, so we've got 1 minus x. Hey, that's the same graph. Explain why x is less than or equal to 4 and y is greater than or equal to 3. Now, because I've got t squared equals 4 minus x and t squared equals y plus 3, the t squared equals 4 minus x. Now, t squared is always positive. Yeah? So 4 minus x must be greater than or equal to 0, which means 4 must be greater than or equal to x. So x is less than or equal to 4. The other side, we know y plus 3 is going to be greater than or equal to 0. So y is greater than or equal to -3. What else did I have to prove? Oh, that's it. Okay, let's now sketch this. Again, not a great job. It's literally 1 minus x, so I could have just copied this one. I'm not going to worry about, we're going to scrub out different bits. So now because x is less than or equal to 4, so 1 minus 4 is negative 3, so yeah, I'll just make here 4. Oh, sorry. Scrub out anything here. And because y is greater than or equal to negative 3, yeah, that's it. So we just want this other bit of it.